Fluency is in math is something that they're tested on now. I mean, there's no, if they can't do the math, then when they get to high school, they're going to have to test in a lot of the different areas. So if you don't learn the basics, you're going to be lost before you get to the upper level courses.
The fluency, well, math is just a big, other than reading, it's one of the major things tested by the state, almost every state, reading and math. You just have to start building those skills at an early level.
I think fluency in math is necessary because I think math is a building process, and if you don't get the basics down, then you have a hard time later on expanding whenever you get into the upper grades.
I think the number one issue with fluency would be making sure that the students have as least frustration as they can have, and the better the fluency, the less frustrations they have.
Because math skills build upon one another, and so if they are having difficulty in 5th and 6th grade, if they're having difficulty with their multiplication facts, then upper level skills, objectives such as fractions, it's too difficult. They're wasting too much time trying to remember their facts, and they can't practice on the actual skill they're learning. Well, because I teach 6th grade math, by the time they get to 6th grade, they need to know those math facts fluently, because we don't spend time teaching them the math facts. The concepts in 6th grade math, it's not learning the math facts. It is being able to use them and use them quickly, because if they have to spend too much time trying to figure out what 5 times 6 is, then they've lost a lot of time and a lot of concentration on the concept that we're learning in 6th grade math.
I really like it, and the students really like it too. It really helps them to gain their math facts.
Students love Math Facts Matters. They come in the classroom wanting to know when they can do it, when can we get on Math Facts. It's great to use as a reward system. In my school, because all our students do not have access to the internet in their homes, we have this set up in a lab environment, so at least once a week all students are able to do this together at school.
The faster they know their facts, the less time they're spending on doing that, and more time they have trying to do the new concept or the skill that is required of them in math.
First time I saw Math Facts was, probably was at a faculty meeting in September. And I was really impressed because I know that the toughest thing for kids, especially when they get to this age, 8th grade, is that if they don't know their facts, they are absolutely going to hate math. They're not going to have anything to do with it. And they're just, they can't go beyond, they can't go into, it doesn't matter what order of operation they start with, they're not going to be able to do any of it. So